Boo and greetings, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spooktacular world of Crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide through this thrilling journey. And just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and a touch of magic. More details see you after the intro.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we have an exciting project here, which is Solordi. Remember that nothing here should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Treat this strictly for educational purposes. So, Solordi, Solana plus gamification plus Bitcoin ordinals plus BRC20 plus AR NFTs. So a lot to unpack here. And again, this is on the Solana network. So you can see here to purchase the coin. This is on Jupiter. You can purchase their coin solo via using Sol. Again, Solana is pretty good. I like that there's low network fees and you will need a Phantom wallet. It's the world's first Bitcoin ordinal inscription on Solana, pioneering gaming on Solana. So we have their partners again. You can pick up the coin on Radium or on Jupiter. We've got CoinGecko, GotBit, Dex Tools, OKX, and CoinMarketCap. So, Solordi, hashtag bullish. Everyone knows that today's meme token requires more than just hype, but just a few months ago, the crypto community was still discovering this fact. However, the Solordi community launched a bullish and unprecedented ecosystem well aware. So we have augmented reality AR non-fungible tokens. So NFTs are unique digital assets recorded on a blockchain that can be transferred from one owner to another, similar to baseball cards. Traditionally, NFTs are traded as single digital forms of art captured on a common medium, i.e. the internet. For the first time ever, Solordi has published AR NFTs. These allow users to interact with digital art stored on the blockchain anywhere in the world. Just scan, download, and take part in a once-of-a-lifetime experience. So it's a BRC20 token, OLOs. Again, the Solordi team has launched its BRC20 token equivalent, OLOs, during mid-January 2024. Solordi is the first token on the Solana blockchain to memify Bitcoin ordinal inscriptions on Solana whilst holding a BRC20 equivalent. Solordi top dog Telegram callbot. So they currently boast a one-of-a-kind Telegram callbot which aggregates data from Solana highlighting trending tokens. You have the AR 3D character gamification here. The team partner with prominent gaming companies and organizations including Epic Games to use Solordi in widely popular games. And they also have their own merchandise. So here we can view the ordinal inscription here. We have the link to that here on Ordinals bot. And also a link to the AR NFT vault, which is on accord.home. Here we can see the vault. So the roadmap, a high level depiction of success. Unreal Engine SDK in development, Solana SDK completion, launched the beta version of Solordi, then the storyboard, production plan, marketing, and Web3 asset integration. So again, the Solana Bitcoin inscription OLOs BRC20 token. Similar to NFTs, ordinals are digital assets inscribed on a Satoshi, the lowest denominator of a Bitcoin. However, ordinal inscriptions are immutable and cannot be modified through a smart contract. Solordi is the first meme to come on Solana with an inscription. And again, it's locked in a vault for 200 years. In addition to purchasing Solar on Solana, Solordi can also be purchased as a BRC20 token under OLOs. So here's a link to get it on BRC20. Again, all of the links down below are there in the description. Ethereum was cool, but Solana is better. The tokenomics here, token symbol Solo, a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 0% tax. So again, completely free to trade. Fair launched in the end of last year. 75% of tokens in circulation, 18% to the team, and tens of millions aside for public airdrop. They also have a CEX listing on the way, which has not been announced, so definitely worth coming in. So how do you buy? Again, collect a Solana wallet, add the Solana Solo contract, and finalize a swap. And of course, check out their socials. The path of getting in early is here. Chat with us on Telegram or follow us on Twitter. Get connected and learn about NFT contests and more. We also have a news article on Market Insider meets Solordi, the Solana's next big meme coin, a diamond with gaming utility. So again, they're working with Solana Labs to build the first game on Unreal Engine tokenomics called Kill to Earn, where you also have their first augmented reality NFTs, which are on Magic Eden. And Solordi Inu is the next bonk of the Solana gaming space. So be sure to check this out down below. Again, super exciting stuff. Again, first of its kind, so definitely worth checking out.